Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see logical operators in SQL in where condition. Okay, so let's start with the video. So I have already created this table, that is Career Chats with RK, and when I have execute this table I have this 4 columns and 5 rows of records in this table. So let's start with the first operator, that is AND. So I have already written the query, that is select star from career chats with RK. So it will execute, when I execute this query, so it will shows the results, that is output of this table. Now I want to put the AND condition in this query. So I will write where city is equal to, suppose, Mumbai, and employee ID is equal to 4. Okay, so what basically this AND condition does, I have written city is equal to Mumbai. So if I remove this and now I will execute this query, so it will show us the two records. There is the two records in the data set, that is Mumbai, and there is 3 and 4 employee ID. So when I execute this query, so it will show us the two records. But I want only employee ID number 3 records. So at that time I will put this condition, that is and employee ID is equal to 4, and complete the query. So what it will basically does, it will filter the filter data. Okay, I want, suppose I want only that employee ID 4, which is city is equal to Mumbai data. So with the help of AND condition you can get that your desired output. Then the second is or operator. Okay, so this is the or operator. So basically, as you can know, everybody knows, that is or operator is basically this or this. Okay, so I will put or here, or city is equal to Mumbai, or city is equal to, I will take city is equal to Pune. So what this basically does, first it will take the cities, that is Mumbai, or it will take cities, that is Pune. So I will execute this query. So as you can see, the OR condition basically first condition satisfies, then it will move to the second condition, and the both condition is satisfied. So it will shows us the both conditions output, desired output that you want. So this is the use of OR operator. And then we have NOT operator. So basically in the previous lecture we have already seen the NOT operator, but the both operator works is same. So now we will see the NOT operator. So in NOT operator, basically it will exclude the record that we have mentioned in our operator. So suppose I have selected the query where not, sorry, where not city is equal to Mumbai. Okay, so what it basically does, it will exclude the cities that are named as Mumbai. Okay, so this is the work of NOT operator. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you guys.